In this video from DelphStack, I will show you how to fix restricted settings on Android in a simple way. If you see a message saying restricted settings when trying to enable permissions for an app, it usually means Android is blocking access for security reasons. This often happens with apps installed outside the Play Store or apps that need special permissions like accessibility. First, open your Settings app. This is where all system controls are managed. Next, go to Apps. Here, find the app that is showing the restricted settings message. If you cannot find it quickly, tap on. See all apps to view the full list installed on your phone. Once you open the app's info page, look at the top right corner. Tap the three-dot menu. From the options, select Allow Restricted Settings. This option removes the system block for that specific app. After that, your phone will ask for confirmation. You may need to enter your PIN, password, or use your fingerprint. This step is important because Android wants to make sure only the phone owner changes security settings. Once confirmed, go back to the permission page you were trying to access, such as Accessibility or any other special permission section. Now, you should be able to enable the required permission without the restriction message appearing. This fix is useful when apps cannot be fully enabled due to Android security limits. After doing these steps, your app should work normally with all required permissions active. Thanks for watching.